Hello, friends. Curious. The steps I'm going to show you come directly from the technicians who work at this well-known appliance repair shop, so don't worry, we're going to guide you through fixing it. These past few days, a neighbor who lives near my shop came in and told us, "Everything seems fine, but my vegetables are freezing overnight." Thoughtful. At the shop, we already know where to start. This problem is almost always related to the flow of cold air inside the refrigerator, since cold air from the freezer is entering the vegetable compartment more than it should. For example, many customers mention that only one part of the refrigerator is affected, which gives us a clear clue. That's when technicians check the internal vents, because sometimes they're blocked by food or even ice. As one technician says, if the air doesn't circulate properly, it concentrates in one spot and ends up freezing everything nearby. Additionally, there are cases where the issue isn't the airflow itself, but the temperature control. Some customers tell us, "I adjusted the temperature and it got worse," which indicates that the thermostat or sensor isn't working correctly. In the shop, we test these components and, if necessary, adjust or replace them so the cold air is distributed properly. On the other hand, we also come across problems with the air damper. Customers say things like, "It feels like too much cold air is coming from the freezer," and that's a key sign. When the damper gets stuck open or doesn't regulate properly, it allows more cold air than needed. In that case, the technician inspects it and replaces it if it's faulty. Likewise, in some models, we've seen that the issue comes from the factory. There are bulletins indicating that certain units have a design that concentrates cold air in specific areas. That's why in the shop we always check for updates or improved parts before making any major changes.